Brine.
What's up, guys? My name is Fern. Today you're going to be seeing us make some pickled sweet peppers Subway style. They're going to be delicious. But first thing you got to do is make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell notification button, so you can get notified when we make videos just like this. This is my little helper. And we're going to get right into this. We're going to harvest some peppers right out of our garden and make some pickled peppers. Alright guys, so if you like that little video, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell notification button so that you can be notified when we make more videos like that. After I place the lids on, I just pop them right in the fridge, and after about a week, I just start munching away. These things are great on sandwiches, great on pizza, and probably great in tacos and burritos and everything else.
Like great pizza?
Great in pizza, buddy.
We want pizza.
Yeah? Alright. But alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.